Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am styling Outre's MyTresses leave out wig. Now guys, this is a U-part wig and it's part of Outre's gold label line, which brings you high quality hair. Now this hair is 100% unprocessed human hair. I have her in the style HH Loose Deep 20 inches and this is a color natural brown. Here is what the cap construction looks like. You get 3 clip-in combs at the top, 2 ear tab combs on the side, along with 1 comb in the back and an adjustable strap. Now this is my foundation for this U-part wig. I created 3 small braids around my leave out. This is just going to give me a nice secure fit when I clip on this unit. Then I just made medium-sized braids going down. I will be straightening my hair, so I like to start off with my Sleek and Shine. Then follow up with my Andis Hot Comb. Now that my hair is all straight, let's move on to clipping this unit on. Then I'm curling my hair. Be sure to check the description box down below. I will have all products listed along with this unit from Outre. I just love how soft this hair feels and these waves are beautiful. My hair blends so well with this texture. I was surprised because I have natural 4C hair. I just curled my leave out and it looks cute like this, but it's just too flat for me. So I'm gonna go in and take some of the hair from the U-part unit and make some nice little curls. This is just gonna help blend my natural hair with this unit and also give me that big volume that I like. And look at the difference that makes. It looks so much better. And here you have a sew in 10 minutes. It's giving bedtime curls, beautiful waves on this unit. The only con I have about this unit is that it sheds a lot, but overall it's great quality hair. Comment down below, let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see next. And don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.